keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to a very special episode of 11 Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and from the Platinum Group, we have the queen of real estate here in Southern Colorado, Marquesa Hobbs. How are you today?
I'm fantastic. Thank you all for coming out and joining me at this beautiful luxury listing today.
Yes, today we get to be outside of the studio and, quite frankly, in the nicest house I have seen since being here in Southern Colorado. Where are we exactly?
Thank you for asking us. This is such a beautiful home indeed. So we're in the exclusive gated community of High Forest Ranch, and this home is really unique. It's about 10,000 square feet. There's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. It's got an office and laundry room on each level, and one of the most unique features, saltwater pool, and it sits on one of the community ponds.
Well, I'm sold. Simple as that. I am sold, and I'm sure a ton of people are. But also today, we're here to talk about what you should do if you're thinking about selling your home. What are some of the steps you should take?
Yep, so I'm going to talk about one of the things that we did for this home that's made such a big difference. So this is a beautiful Tuscan-inspired, feels like a castle. And so there was a lot of yellow tones. What we did is we painted it sort of an off-white. And you'll see that it just opens it up, it makes it bright, it makes it light, and it really allows you and encourages you to see more of the elements that really are beautiful. The stone, the metal, the wood, the windows, the outdoors. So paint is one of the least expensive things you can do to transform your house and make it feel updated and clean and move-in ready for that buyer.
Great information. If you're interested in learning more about this, how can everyone get in contact with you?
So my information's right here. And I work in all price ranges. This home's about $4 million, and I'm all ranges.
Right. There's no better place that you can go to in Southern Colorado other than with you. So thank you so much for your time and for the information. We appreciate you.
My pleasure. Thank you.